My major right there. DJ for real right there. It's the AOS too. It's on the way.
Hey dolls, I'm coming at you with a video today on me twisting and styling my son's hair. So this is the product that I used. A lot of you asked what I used in my other twisting video. This is all I use. On his hair, I did apply a little edge wax, but that's it. So I'm going in and I'm spraying his hair with some water just to dampen it up a little bit, and I'm going to apply the twisting gel on top of that just so it can have a smoother consistency, because this is kind of like a thick product, and if you add too much it causes buildup. So here I'm going in, and instead of ripping the hair that has grown together, I just snip it a little bit with the scissors, and it's not causing any damage. I'm not cutting his hair. It's just an easy way for him because he says it hurts. So I try to make everything easy for my kids. I don't try to hurt them. You know, I'm just trying to make it easy for him. So I'm going to go in and start parting out each section of his dreads. I like to re-part his dreads every time that I do them because it makes it look very neat. So as you can see here, his hair hasn't been done in a while, so a lot of his hair is fused together. So I try to separate those pieces, because if I do lock it together like that, it will eventually lock in together and I won't be able to pull it apart. So that's why I section each piece. I go in and, you know, just to make it neater. So here I'm going to continue to do that until I finish that section, and you will see how I'm creating the 2-strand twist. Now I saw this style on Instagram, and I will tag the person name below because I did forget their name, but I thought this style was so cute, and since my son's hair has grown out a whole lot, I wanted to try this style on him. Also, I will link the video when I first started his twist in the comments below because his hair has grown a whole lot.
I just want my baby with a baby on some daddy shit. Fuck around with me and my baby gon' be hella rich. I just want them diamonds in my mouth when I'm talking, yeah, they dance. Niggas talking money, bitch, I'm talking buku pants. Yeah, I wanna rollie, 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 rollie. Yeah, I wanna rollie, 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 rollie. Yeah, I wanna rollie, rollie. I just want my baby with a baby.
So here's the neat part. This is how I twist his hair. So, you know, like how you do a 2-strand twist as if you're doing a twist out? Well, that's how I did his twist. I find that it stays longer and it holds better. When I twisted his hair the other direction, it came apart so fast. So I'm going in, I'm at the top of his head now. We had to switch positions because he kept falling asleep. So I put him up in the chair, you know, to try to hold him up better. My son is 4 years old. He really sits well to get his hair done. He just don't like the fact of when I have to tear his hair apart. That's why I'm using the scissors. And I know I'm going to get so much backlash for the fact that I'm using scissors to cut his hair away. But hey, I do what works for me. I'm not a professional. I don't specialize in natural hair. I don't specialize in dreads. I started my son's hair, and I'm going to continue to do it the way I choose to, the way I see fit for him.
Cross town from that way. Niggas be keeping the strap, eh? Nigga don't say too much, but them niggas they really go dumb way. That's pressure, it's levels. Niggas can't fuck with this shit. No, I can't stop, won't stop till I get a fucking rollie on my wrist. Tears up, yeah, this shit real. Niggas been heartless for years. Really couldn't show no love, cause they say that get you killed. Roaming through my section, I've been mobbing on the low. And my city really love me, so I put on for the dough. Want my baby with a baby on some daddy shit. Fuck around with me. My baby gon' be hella rich. Gon' be smiling with them diamonds when I'm talking, yeah, them bitches dance. Niggas talking money, bitch, I'm talking buku band. I might pull up on my ex, flexing on them bitches. Crash out up in the club, throwing money on you niggas. I hope you get the picture. I'm a young fly nigga, no, I don't promote no violence, so I never told no pistol from the trenches. I get it in, get it out the mud. Ace of spade too, on the way. Say bitches up, I'm here to clear the business, so no, I ain't come to play on that fatty wop shit. So baby, won't you come my way? I want them
So here I'm going to take a little mousse and I'm going to spread this all over his hair. And I just like to use mousse on everything because it gives it a polished look. So I just smooth it all over his hair and I'm going to spray a holding spray on top of it. That way his twists last long. My son hair does not last a long time. That's why this is a new style for us, and I'm hoping his twists stay twisted at least a week or two. So this Mega Freeze is just a light holding spray. It doesn't make the hair hard. It's just, I just use it to secure the hair. And after I finish spraying that on, I'm just going to blow dry his hair for a few seconds because I'm not sitting him under the dryer. Usually after I twist his hair, I sit him under the dryer for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes, but that's when he has his clips in. So this time, since I didn't use the clips, I'm not sitting him under the dryer. He don't like that part anyways. And after this step, we're done. So y'all stay tuned for the final look.
Nigga don't say too much, but them niggas they really go dumb way. That's pressure, it's levels. Niggas can't fuck with this shit. No, I can't stop, won't stop till I get a fucking rolling on my wrist. Tears up, yeah, this shit real. Nigga been heartless for years. Really couldn't show no love.